Alright, let's talk about how to tidy up the wirings for the OCD in you. Alright, so if you have the receivers that have wires sticking out, in my previous video I showed you how I use corrugated plastics, and you stick it on and you put the wires inside. And so this is an example. You can put it on the side, or you can put it on top and put the wires in and out, in and out. Then, if you're a little more OCD, you can wrap it in carbon fiber stickers. Yep. It's just like this one's. And then it disappears into your chassis. So if you mount it this way, yeah, looks all clean, right? Then the wirings go here, all here. You can hide it, more or less. Some say, this might affect the range. I'm an EE, electrical engineer. I don't think it will really make a difference, but I've tested so far no issues. But the main issue will be if your antenna touches the graphite. That I think will cause an issue, so avoid having touching anything. So for me, my receiver, I'll mount it to the servo itself and leave a gap, so as I will not touch the chassis, I will not touch the upper deck, and not interfere with the flex. Right? That's my tip, my OCD tip. Yeah, nicer. Yeah. Tidy, nicer. Right? If you don't like the looks of the corrugated plastic, wrap it in carbon fiber. All right.